If you're cutting hair the same way each and every day, you could be holding yourself back. Today I want to talk to you about why creativity is one of the most important skills a barber can develop. After years of cutting hair, using the same techniques every day can become extremely repetitive. That's why it's so important to keep pushing your creativity, testing new ideas and stepping out of your comfort zone once in every while. That's how you grow, not just as a barber, but an artist. In my opinion, a great barber isn't defined by one style. They can confidently create classic, modern, contemporary and creative cuts. Mastering every style and knowing when to blend traditional and modern techniques is what separates a good barber from a true leader of the industry. As you can see, to develop this haircut and create this shape, I've started by completely saturating and sectioning the hair, building graduation and weight through the parietal ridge to create a strong silhouette. Once the foundation's in place, I'll add texture before moving into the main part of the haircut, which is obviously the fade. Now that we're onto the fade, I'm really focusing on exaggerating the parietal ridge area to make the shape stand out as much as possible. I'll sharpen the outline with the trimmer by obviously turning it over and really getting in there with the trimmer, and then I'll use the thinning shears and really try and make that weight stand out as much as possible. From there, I'll create a completely unique skin line for this haircut. You might never see this skin line again, but it's just something I felt like doing for this haircut to really exaggerate and make everything stand out as much as possible. As you can see, I'm trying to leave the corners as dark as I possibly can and really go as high as I can with the dead area, which is obviously the white of the skin. Once I was happy with the skin line, what I wanted to do next was line everything up at the back so I knew how much area I was dealing with and what my canvas was actually going to look like when I faded everything out. Next thing I'm going to do is open up my clipper all the way and work just above the skin line, following the silhouette I've already created. In the dark areas, I'm keeping the fade a little bit tighter, and where I can have room, I stretch everything out to create a smoother transition. From there, I'll switch to my number 1 guard fully open and work slightly higher again. Once that's in place, I'll gradually close the number 1 guard and softly blend everything in. If you notice any dark spots in the fade at all, gradually close the clipper and use the corner of the blade to carefully chip away at them. Keep stepping back and looking at the fade the whole time whilst you're doing this, because this isn't a typical fade. We're intentionally leaving more weight in certain areas to enhance the shape. The goal is to make the haircut as visually impactful as possible. Now the fade's complete, I'm finishing everything off with the foils and lining everything up to detail the haircut and make everything stand out as much as possible. I'll also add a few enhancements to elevate the final result and create something that's perfect for your own personal portfolio. Remember, these creative cuts are what help you grow as an artist. Even if you do them for free, the experience, the content and the skills you gain are worth it. For this client, I actually removed the design completely afterwards and finished the haircut with a clean burst fade. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comment section below, and thanks so much for the ongoing support.